This video I'm going to show you how you can start in a channel with this in a topic of Reddit. You make views from there if you monetize it, or if you get if you pass the monetization requirement, you can monetize it. You get millions of views, thousands, millions, billions of views. Yeah. So basically you just need to screenshot a clip, not a clip, screenshot. For example, what movie changed your life? Then you reveal the answer or something like this. You like go to snip tool, snip tool, new. You do like this. You screenshot this question and answer. Then you look for a clip. Go to Pixabay or Pixels. You like luxury clips, whatever, or live clips, lifestyle clips in the background. It will be in the background. Then you paste. You put this one on the background of the video, something like this. See this? My ex-husband cheated on me. Okay, not like this. Then you get views. Then you can put sound in it. Then you get views. It's as simple as that. If you're interested in this kind of niche, let's see. If you check out how many views I've gotten so far, is I've gotten 175 million views, bro. 175 million views. I've made already $100,000 with this strategy, and it started 25th of April. That was last year, bro. You mad? You started last year. 25th of April, a year ago, a year and 2 months ago, 14 months ago, bro. So you can loop it, do different stories, screenshot like 30 clips, like that, thousands of clips, not clips, sorry, thousands of conversations, then put in the background, go on Pixels, let me show you, Pixels, look for, let's say, lifestyle, let's say lifestyle. You just need a video of lifestyle, and something like this. Let's say something like this, but you look for better ones. Then you click on download it. Then you go to Canva. You know, when you go to Canva, the next thing, go to Canva to edit the video. I'm not going to explain how to use Canva though. So as I was saying, you go to Canva, then you upload the video, then you go to your downloads on, you go to your file on your computer. You still paste, you still paste the conversation on the background of the lifestyle video. It's as simple as that. Then you download the video and you post it on YouTube. You post it one a day, it's okay. Until you're doing something productive. See, this guy has made $100,000. If you use it on investment, you can be a millionaire in dollars. So, bro, don't sleep on this. If you want to be rich, if you want to know more ways to make money online, go to the link in my description. Ask something special for you. Take action, bro. Go to the link in my description. It won't be there for long. TMM. Too much money. As for me, I'm out.